Welcome to Impress the Wife, the cooking show dedicated to the husbands who cook for their wives. And today we're making crispy tuna salad. Stay tuned. You're in for a treat. Join me as I push myself to the limits of discovering and mastering the secrets of the kitchen and to ultimately impress the wife. Husbands, gather up. Here's the list of the ingredients that you will need. We'll start by slicing the green onion, cilantro, and mint. I love the combination of flavors that these three things give. When used properly, it contributes to the overall freshness of a dish. We're also going to chop some garlic for the sauce later. Finally, julienne a jalapeno. Remove as much meat as you can until you're left with barely just the skin, like this. Once you have this, slice them thinly and submerge the julienne jalapeno in ice cold water. Next, we'll chop some cashew nuts. If you have the raw one, make sure to roast them in the oven or a pan until golden brown before chopping. Here, I have some Szechuan peppercorn. Upon consuming, it gives off a numbing sensation to the mouth and a little bit of lemon overtones. Very aromatic. You can toast them to bring out their aroma. Here, I'm just going to grind them straight until pulverized. I have a piece of tuna fillet here that we are going to dice up. Freshness is key, so be sure to buy the freshest tuna you can find. Once your tuna is diced up, set it aside in the fridge and we'll move on to the crispy element of this recipe, Vietnamese rice paper. We'll make crispy salad bowls out of this. Simply heat oil about 2 to 3 inches deep to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the rice paper below a metal bowl and drop them in the oil until the paper blooms to a wonderful piece of art. It will only take 10 to 15 seconds. Make sure that your temperature is on point. Frying this at a lower temperature will cause the paper not to bloom at its fullest potential. You can season the rice bowl with chili powder, salt, pepper, or any seasoning that you like. Now we'll make our fish sauce caramel. Simply make a caramel out of the white sugar. You can use palm sugar for a more authentic Thai influence. Once the caramel is ready, add the fish sauce. It's going to stink after, beware. Then add the chopped garlic and cool the caramel down before using it. We'll start assembling the poke. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fish sauce caramel, sesame oil, all of the green onions, and then half of the mint, cilantro, and cashews. You can also put green shiso leaves and Thai basil to add to this herb mix. You can use regular peanuts if you can't find cashews. You can also experiment with other nuts if you wish. Now give this a little bit of some good mixing. Crack a few turns of black pepper. Add some chili powder for a bit of kick. Furikake. And squeeze lemon or lime and adjust the seasoning according to your preference. If you need more saltiness, add more fish sauce caramel. Once you're happy with the seasoning, we'll start plating. Fill the top with the tuna mixture. Then add all of the remaining herbs and cashews and the julienne of jalapeno. You can add mayonnaise on top, but this is optional. We find that adding mayonnaise creates a richer mouthfeel and a good contrast to the tanginess of the lemon. You can also add some more chili powder and sesame oil if you like. And that is it, folks. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notifications on upcoming videos or recipes. Until then, see you next time.